Kalanchoe Pinnata. It is a medicinal plant. The leaves of this plant are used to treat various diseases. The leaves of this plant are capable of curing any urinary tract infection and urinary stones. For acne, wounds, and muscle injuries, the juice of this leaf can be heated over a fire and applied to the affected area. The juice of this leaf is beneficial for flatulence and stomach aches in children. The juice of this leaf can be applied to the affected area if bitten by a poisonous insect. The juice of this leaf is drunk directly for various physical problems. In case of skin diseases or insect bites, the juice of the leaves is boiled in fire and applied to the affected area. Also, epileptics are given the juice of this leaf. It is a medicinal plant, traditionally used to treat various diseases. Its leaves produce small shoots that grow from the edges and are easy to propagate. It is also used for home decoration and helps reduce headaches, fever, and inflammation. This plant has also become known as a popular ornamental plant due to its attractive flowers. This plant grows and reproduces without any care. This plant grows quickly in wet or damp soil. New seedlings are born when the leaves are left on the ground, so it is easily available in many places. Many gardeners plant this plant in their gardens. Many others also grow it in pots on their rooftops.